Tom in North Cal. I'm doing something new. It's called Weekend Short Trip. So this weekend short trip happened in August, and I stopped at the Sonoma Peets to test my Insta360 One X. And this is a nice little device. Unfortunately, I'm not very good at mounting it yet, but it's a really good device. It does, I think, 5.7K. I set it to 4K because I only need about 4K because I'm going to render it at actually 1080p. So this should be very high quality video at 1080p. And I'm just experimenting. I'm goofing around with it. I'm just testing it out. This is not a, how would I say, don't take what I say here as absolute. I'm just goofing around and seeing what this 360 camera can do. And so far it does a really good job at the video. It's very smooth. You can't see any bouncing or anything around. I forgot to turn for that, but it really absorbs all the vibrations and smooths out the video. But yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I'm on my Harley Davidson Livewire and just enjoying the view and testing out this wonderful camera. However, I'm not very good at software with this camera because every time I point the camera forward, it just rotates back to look at me. I don't know why. And if I point it to the left, point it to the right, it just slowly rotates back. So I didn't do something right with the software, or I don't know what's going on. Maybe I should do some kind of software upgrade. But anyways, it's a good camera. I enjoy using it. Easy to mount. Not the easiest to click and set up. You have to click one button, click another, click again, something like that. I don't remember, and that's probably why I'm not using it very well. But other cameras like the GoPro are so easy to set up. You just click one button and it goes. You have to preset the camera to what you want, what settings they are, and then on the GoPro you just go click and it starts working. This one, of course, you also have to do your video settings, but you click the button, it doesn't actually go right away. You have to click the top button, click the lower button, and click the top again or something, I don't know. But otherwise, it's a very good camera, but it's a little more difficult to use. As you notice, it looks like my left hand there, my left wrist is much thicker than my right hand is. That's a distortion of the lens, unfortunately. So it is one minor issue with this camera. It does do a little bit of distortion. Other than that, it takes a very good picture and it has really good stabilization. So what is my verdict? My verdict is I'm gonna play around with this thing some more and get back to you on it. But so far, it's a nice little camera for the price. I got it on sale at Amazon for about $2.99. Okay, well, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video and more to come. Signing off, Tom of North Cal.